How to enable or disable auto dim screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. So you will see battery is here. Click on battery. After click on battery, so scroll down and you will see auto dim screen is here. If you want to disable auto dim screen, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see auto dim screen is disabled. If you want to enable auto dim screen, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see auto dim screen is enabled. You will enable or disable auto dim screen from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable auto dim screen on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.